Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Louis. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this beautiful braid hairstyle by the renowned hairstylist Hair by Sleam. So someone actually requested I recreate this look, so I'm just bringing it to everyone. So if you're yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do that before you leave, and also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because you know, like I always say, sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video. So diving right into why we're here. So I already sectioned the hair and I curled it. So I'm using a curler in size 32 because we're going to be doing a side swoop. So I already curled the first one, so I'm doing the second one now. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to section the hair and start doing the braids. So you guys, I'm going to section this hair into the hair rather. Then once I do that, I'm going to pick out a little from one section and then cross it over to the other part. So this particular style is really confusing. It's not like the regular braids we do, but with the way my hands are going, you think it's the regular braids. So I'm just going to like cross the tiny ones on top of the first one and take it under, and now take it on top of the other one. So I'll keep repeating the same technique until I get to the desired length I want it to be. So as soon as I'm done with the first one, I'm going to section the hair just as seen in the video and then comb, and do the same for the other side, and then repeat the same technique I did the first braids. So I'm going to be doing this to the second one.
You see
So as soon as I'm done with the braids, I'm going to comb the hair and then fold it. So once I'm done folding, I'm going to like roll it upon the last braid and then use my bobby pins to like secure it. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to get the pearls and then just place it on the hair. So it's time to do the side swoop. I'm going to take out my control pins from the one I curled and then comb it out. So once I am done combing, I'm going to get my ultra hold spray and then spray it on the hair just to make sure all the flyaways are put together. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to use 2 fingers and then do like a slanty, thing. I have a detailed video on how to do side swoop, which I'm going to leave up there so you guys can go watch it and then learn how to do a side swoop. And that's it for today's video. I hope it was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that, and also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because you know, like I always say, sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video. So is there anything you'd want to see here on this channel? Please don't forget to leave it in the comments below, and I promise you guys I'm going to come through. So I love you all to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.